quiet start to the week here. We're looking at temperatures slightly above average and dry skies through tomorrow, but then it will all start to change by midweek. That's when our next system rolls in from the Plain States. We are expecting rainy weather Wednesday through Thursday. Another good dose of soaking rainfall that we really need as we continue to see that trend of dry conditions with that moderate drought across the area. And then after the system moves through, the big story becomes the return of colder weather, and this really looks to unleash a pattern that will give us some pretty substantially cold weather, it looks like, as we head toward Christmas week. So just keep that in mind. Big changes there really showing up on the data. Temperatures this morning, not bad at all. We're at 36 degrees. We have a slight wind chill. The wind chill comes in at 29 this morning. Looking at your forecast today, very quiet, not a lot going on. Really a lot like yesterday, but I think a little bit brighter. I think we'll have at least a few peaks of sunshine this afternoon with numbers that will be climbing into the upper 30s to near 40, but not much of a wind chill. The winds staying fairly light. Temperatures will be a bit colder tonight. We have a little bit more in the way of those breaks in the cloud cover, so numbers in most spots will fall just below 30 into the upper 20s for tonight. So some patchy frost is possible, especially where we get more of that clearing to take place tonight. And then for your Tuesday forecast, we keep the quiet weather going. I'm going to be optimistic here. The data shows at least a possibility of some more sunshine tomorrow compared to today. So tomorrow, likely the pick day of the week. If you have any maybe Christmas decorations that you're still looking to set out outdoors, good day to do that tomorrow. And then Wednesday, we settle into some rain. We have the rain working in from the west, 8 o'clock Wednesday morning. And the showers, kind of the leading edge, moving their way into the area. Temperature should be just warm enough that we really avoid any wintry weather concerns. We'll have some scattered rain Wednesday. This will kind of come in two waves. We'll get a bit of a break Wednesday afternoon, but then a heavier surge overnight into Thursday morning. This will be the heavier slug of moisture moving its way through the area. As we head into Thursday, the rain in the morning, but then later in the day, we'll get a bit of a dry slot to work in where temperatures may actually warm up into the low 50s. And then after that, we wave goodbye to any remnants of warm weather because by Friday we are much colder. The chance for some backside flurries. Not a lot of moisture once we get into the cold weather, but I think we'll have at least a chance for a light coating of snow Friday night into Saturday morning. Here's a look at the rainfall totals, which this is very welcome news. Later this week, it looks like a good ½ inch of rain. Some spots may see as much as 3/4 of an inch. Again, a lot of this will be falling Wednesday night into early Thursday. And then the system will just kind of be the one to really shake up this weather pattern and bring in the cold weather that's been really sitting over Canada much of this month. It's going to really unleash it moving forward. We've got this ridge moving its way into Alaska. Anytime you warm up here on the west coast of the U.S. and Alaska, that is a signal to bring in the cold weather as it just kind of bumps into this very cold Arctic air. It really just allows it to pull south into much of the central and eastern U.S. We've got a cross-polar flow really coming down from Siberia. So this is a very, very good look for cold weather, at times some very frigid weather as we head toward Christmas week. In fact, it looks like looking forward to mid to late part of next week, we could really get into some brutally cold conditions. So we are going to be watching that, which obviously will up the chance for a white Christmas this year. As we look at that 7-day forecast, temperatures in the 40s the next few days, 50s on Thursday, and then the cold weather arrives Friday with a high of 37. A few snow showers Friday and Saturday, and then it looks like cooler weather will continue to take hold deeper into next week.
Well, I think the one optimistic part of that is you could have some flurries on Christmas.
That'd be exciting,
That'd be a change
we'll
for
take
us.
that.
Yeah.